Look at your weekend forecast. I've got the dancing turkey in the top left. Don't worry, I didn't forget this time. Temperature of 67 degrees today. We'll keep that cloud cover overhead. We do have a north wind starting to filter in, all thanks to a system that's moving through. 68 degrees on Saturday, dry, and the cloud cover, it's going to break apart a little more Saturday afternoon, so we'll see a few more rays of sunshine. Sunday, that's when we're looking at rain to return with about a 40% coverage. Morning lows will be in the mid-50s. Now, Sunday, the day that the rain returns, we're going to see the potential for an isolated strong storm or two. Now, this is going to be a very low end risk. Hail, strong winds will be the main concern, and this is not going to be for everyone. We're just letting you know that we could see a strong storm, and of course, we'll be watching it for you. Be sure to have our WFAA app so we can alert you if we need to. But otherwise, we're just dealing with this. This is Sunday, 8 in the morning. We'll see that rain first along our western counties, and then it'll push into the I-35 corridor of counties midday to about 2 or 3 in the afternoon. It'll continue to push east throughout the day with some clearing behind it. I'm not expecting that rain really Sunday night into Monday morning, but Monday morning brings our next opportunity for rain. So let me show you what that looks like. This is 6 in the morning. Notice how we just see the cloud cover. So on Monday, that's when our next front moves in, and that front is actually going to bring in that cooler air. Look at how this rain kind of pushes in through the afternoon on Monday. We could even see a few pockets of heavy rain south of Interstate 20. I'm not expecting a whole lot of rain accumulation. In fact, Monday night into Tuesday, it really starts to taper off. We'll see maybe just a few lingering showers into Tuesday morning, and then it dries out for us here in North Texas. This is what DFW Airport looks like right now, though. 60 degrees. If you do have any flights today, definitely make sure to check for any delays because we are looking at some lowered visibility, not just here, but in other airports across the country. So just a heads up. 67 degrees expected still around 3, even with that front coming in with cloud cover the rest of the day into the evening. About 59 degrees at 7. I know there are a lot of football games, high school football games this evening. It'll be chilly, so be sure to bring that extra layer with you. We have this front pushing through, so our northern counties will actually be slightly cooler. Highs only in the low 60s, mid 60s for areas along Interstate 20, and anywhere south, we're looking at the upper 60s for this afternoon specifically. Okay, so we have this long stream of moisture coming in from the Pacific, and you can see it in the form of cloud cover, even a few little showers for the panhandle. But this is our next big system that's going to impact holiday travel across the country. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. For Saturday, it looks like that system does make it inland right over the Four Corners, bringing in a wet west coast. So if you're headed west on Saturday, that's something to consider. No trouble spots across the rest of the country. But Sunday, we see the system approaching. We see that rain extending from the plains into North Texas and even some of that snow across the Rockies towards the Pacific Northwest. This then pushes into some of the Midwestern states on Monday, but Tuesday, it does look very wet for a big portion of the southeast towards the East Coast, with lake effect snow then moving in on Wednesday. So if you're headed to the east or the northeast middle part of next week, a big heads up. So this weekend, again, just cloudy and cool, but that rain returns Sunday. And leading up to Thanksgiving here in North Texas, it actually looks pretty good. Dry, high near 63, a morning low of 41. We'll be back.